What if there was a place where the spiritual heartbeat of an entire faith could be felt? A city so small, yet so powerful, that it has influenced the course of history for centuries? Imagine standing in a place where every stone, every artwork, and every tradition holds a deeper meaning. History. The history of Vatican City is as old as Christianity itself. Established as the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church, it was once the heart of the mighty Roman Empire. Over centuries, it has been the site of monumental decisions, the coronation of popes, and the birth of doctrines that shaped the world. From its humble beginnings as a burial ground to its emergence as a sovereign city-state in 1929, Vatican City has witnessed the rise and fall of empires and remains a symbol of faith and resilience. Culture. Vatican City is a cultural treasure trove. As the home of the Pope, it is the epicenter of Catholicism, influencing religious practices and traditions worldwide. The culture here is steeped in religious ceremonies, sacred art, and a deep reverence for history. Every corner of the city reflects this, from the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica to the timeless beauty of the Sistine Chapel. The culture of Vatican City is a living testament to the enduring power of faith and art. Education. Education in Vatican City is not about large universities or bustling campuses, but about the preservation and dissemination of knowledge. The Vatican Apostolic Library and the Vatican School of Paleography are among the world's most important centers for the study of ancient texts and religious documents. Scholars from around the globe come here to study the manuscripts that have shaped religious thought for centuries, making Vatican City a hub of intellectual and spiritual learning. Economy. Though small in size, Vatican City's economy is unique and self-sustaining. It relies heavily on contributions from Catholics worldwide, as well as revenue from tourism, the sale of publications, and the Vatican Museums. Unlike any other nation, its economy is not driven by industrial output or natural resources, but by the spiritual contributions of its global followers. It's a testament to the power of faith in sustaining an economy. Technology. In terms of technology, Vatican City may seem like a place frozen in time, but it is anything but. The Vatican has embraced modern technology to preserve its vast archives, broadcast religious events globally, and maintain its communication networks. The Vatican Observatory is one of the oldest astronomical research institutions in the world, demonstrating a commitment to scientific inquiry that complements its spiritual mission. Traditions. Traditions in Vatican City are deeply rooted in centuries-old rituals and ceremonies, from the election of the Pope to the midnight masses on Christmas Eve. These traditions are observed with solemnity and reverence. Each ceremony is a reflection of the Church's rich history and its ongoing spiritual journey. The Swiss Guard, with its colorful Renaissance uniforms, is one of the most visible symbols of these enduring traditions. Geography. Geographically, Vatican City is the smallest independent state in the world, covering just over 100 acres. Nestled within the city of Rome, it is an enclave with its own governance, laws, and unique status. Despite its small size, Vatican City is a place of immense significance, with its gardens, museums, and religious buildings drawing visitors from across the globe. Politics and government. Vatican City's government is a theocracy, with the Pope serving as the supreme leader. As the head of the Roman Catholic Church, the Pope holds both spiritual and temporal power. The governance of the city-state is carried out by various administrative bodies, including the Roman Curia, which assists the Pope in his duties. Vatican City wields considerable influence in global religious and political matters. Tourism. Tourism is the lifeblood of Vatican City. Each year, millions of pilgrims and tourists flock to this holy site, drawn by the allure of its religious significance, art, and history. The Vatican Museums, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel are among the most visited sites in the world, offering a glimpse into the spiritual and artistic heritage of the Catholic Church. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, come on. It's like standing at the gates of Vatican City and refusing to go inside. Hit that subscribe button and keep our channel close to your heart. Otherwise, you might not even notice when we venture off to explore the next corner of the globe. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, or Pope might come in your dreams asking, "Did you subscribe?"